Are you tired of constantly losing track of your drafts emails in Gmail? Well, fret no more, because I'm here to show you a neat little trick to display your unread drafts emails in the label list on your PC. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up gmail.com on your computer. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top bar and locate the gear icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Open All Settings. This will redirect you to the Settings page, where you can customize your Gmail experience. In the Settings menu, navigate to the section labeled Labels. This is where you can manage the visibility of different labels within Gmail. Scroll through the list of labels until you find the one labeled Drafts. Click on it to expand the options for that particular label. Now, look for the option that says Show if Unread, and make sure it is checked. This will ensure that any unread drafts emails will be displayed in the label list on the left side of your Gmail inbox. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep track of your unread drafts emails in Gmail on your PC. So go ahead and give it a try and never miss an important draft email again. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.